Benda perlukan waras pi ke kubur. Klaim jing artatin, maham ke China ya ke Amerika halor ke khajna. Tong nisap. Maham ke Republic of China ya ke Amerika. Bakamting bani kun ya ke thma khayi. Kani kadai hadien bebu ke Amerika. Arspa 100% ke khajna haki import ke China. Ulin jen, no akitin ke Foreign Ministry wong. Ka position jong ke China halor kani. Kadai ke syai bah. Ke China kamkwa bani kun tang ba kamting ong ulin jen. No akitin ke Foreign Ministry jong ke China wong ba. Ka China ka lakhot ye ke jekran nagam ta ban resolve ye ke issue.
中方的立场一直很明确，关税战、贸易战没有赢家，中方不愿打，但也不怕打。如果美方真的想通过对话谈判解决问题，就应该停止极限施压那一套，停止威胁讹诈，在平等、尊重、互惠的基础上同中方对话。
Kani ke jingkren ulin jen kadai hadien pynkiew Presiden Trump ya ke khajna haki import ke China sya arspa 100%. Kani ke jing pynkiew khajna thmai Trump kadai hadien bana ke China ban khang ye ke export bat penhe iki duty haki mar ki mata ke Amerika. Ka United States ru ke kran syai ba ke China ka don kam ban don de deal bat ke Amerika.
The president has made his position on China quite clear, although I do have an additional statement that he just shared with me in the Oval Office. The ball is in China's court. China needs to make a deal with us. We don't have to make a deal with them. There's no difference between China and any other country except they are much larger. And China wants what we have, what every country wants, what we have, the American consumer. Or to put it another way, they need our money. So the president, again, has made it quite clear that he's open to a deal with China, but China needs to make a deal with the United States of America.